Do you like your PC? If you do, then you probably want to see it, right? This might be the case for you. A few weeks ago when I was in Taiwan for Computex, I took a quick look at what Xigmatek had going on at their booth, and this definitely caught my attention.
I'm at Computex at the moment and I came across this case from Xigmatek and I really want one of those, so I asked them to send one over all the way from Taiwan to South Africa.
It's called the Xigmatek Aqua Ultra, and it's a triple glass panel case but without the awkward support pillar in the front corner. It's a pretty big case that supports eATX motherboards and up to 10 fans, although I'd recommend using the mesh panel that is included if you want to use the top ones. If you decide to use the glass top panel, you can completely remove the fan mounting bracket to give it a cleaner look. Or if you want all RGB, you could just leave them there. They won't do much, but at least it gives you the option to easily switch between the panels where needed. Speaking of fans, the case actually comes with 7 RGB fans included in the box, but these use their own connectors though, so keep that in mind. As for other features, the PCI mounting plate can rotate pretty easily if you want to vertically mount your GPU, and there's quite a few hard drive bays in the back section for all your storage needs. Having space for a 3.5-inch drive is always nice. Building in it was okay for the most part. I didn't really run into many problems, just be careful not to get any fingerprints on the inside of the glass, and you should end up with a pretty good looking PC. It's even got the little ARGB strip in the front that gives it a little bit more flair. I also like how the I/O is on top, which helps with the overall clean look. It's a nice little spin on a pretty popular case design with all the benefits of the extra space in the back, opening up a lot of space for your components and extras. Maybe I should throw in an LCD screen or 3 in there. I think Xigmatek really brought out a good case here, especially for the price tag. Just having the different options for the top panels with the temperatures during summer or for big gaming sessions, it is a nice feature to have, and it definitely looks fantastic. What more do you need? I don't know. I don't need anything else. Anyways, I hope you have a fantastic day. This was Xigmatek out.